are starting off with freshly washed hair. I washed my hair with the Purify Me Moisturizing Co-Wash Cleanser, and then I followed it up with the Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. Now I'm going in with the half and half hydrating silkening hair milk, and this right here is really good for adding moisture to the hair. I used the Curl Maintenance Defining Curl Whip as my styler for this perm rod set. It made my hair super soft. It was easy to detangle, and it was very manageable when wrapping it around the cold wave rods. And then as you see, I put a little bit more on the ends just to make sure they are smooth and tamed. For me, it turned out better to put the wave rod at the root of my hair and then wrap my hair around it, as opposed to starting with the ends and wrapping the wave rod up. This just made it more secure at my head. And then you also want to make sure you're counting your wave rods before you start sectioning your hair, because the first time I tried to do this, I ran out of the rods because I was doing too small of sections. So make sure you have enough wave rods if you're gonna do this. Alright guys, so this is take 2, but my hair should be completely dry this time. Instead of doing only like 40 minutes under the dryer, I did an hour and 30, so I'm sure it should be dry now. So we just gonna hope for the best. Alright, so I go ahead and stretch out the curls once I remove all of the perm rods using the soft all over oil. And this oil not only adds shine and sheen to your hair, but it also helps when separating the curls. So you want to just go in and separate each curl to your liking, and then after that you want to get like a wide tooth comb and start fluffing and picking and teasing your hair out to the desired fullness. Last but not least, you want to lay your edges with this smoothing gel. It is bomb.com. As you can see, my swoops and curls and kinks and coils are being laid to the gods. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. It is perfect for fall while it's kind of warm, but it's getting a little bit chilly, so you can have your hair like, you know, hanging, but then as your style goes throughout the week, you can pull it up into like a nice little ponytail or whatever. It's very versatile. That's what I love about doing like perm rod sets and things like that, because you have the full hair on day 1, day 2, day 3, and then as it starts progressing throughout the week, you can transform it by doing like a pineapple, a bun, anything like that. If you guys are interested in seeing how I style my perm rod sets, just let me know in the comment section below. Definitely check out the Flaxseed Recipes series from Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils, because my hair feels so loved, so moisturized, and it just looks bomb.com. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tipple. Bye guys.